A long time ago, there is a story in a forest. If you cross a bridge, go up the stairs. You will find a lot of huge trees with bright lights and a tree's house, where people call it the Lantern Forest. But a good time don't last. The forest become even more lifeless with the arrival of the cold winter. Dark stone lie down. So the crowd began to croak, and the forest gradually turned colorless. As death flowed the crows. What's wrong? Oh, it was the evil queen woke up. She will absorb the whole forest to restore her color. So boy and a girl set off to find the sailing field. Beneath the ancient steel, they spoke an incantation, but the energy began to spin out of the control. Finally, engulfing the girl. The forest is restored. Animals no longer light up. But the Lantern Forest is still there. And the boy continues his story. Thank you for listening. I'm an Wendy.